oops, I forgot to put that one over there. Yeah, that's here. So you just need to basically trace it out, simple as that. Fill in the color, select red, and select the frame and color it. Yeah, that's it. Go back to the first frame and slow play it. See that? Yeah. So that looks very interesting. So this is the style which I'm going to follow through the entire project, where it's going to jitter. The object, whatever you're going to draw, is going to be a bit in motion and not stationary. It basically creates more interest. Yeah, so I did 5 frames of that. I guess that should be enough. Now I want to add in the next element, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So if I want to add in the next element, what I'll do is I'll keep 5 frames of these, and in the 6th frame I add in the next element. The next element which I want to add in is a plus. So let's say a plus. But if I want to add in a plus, I also need my earlier elements to be there in this page, because what will happen is when I play it, I'll have this, when I play it. Okay, see, that's, yeah, so the flower is missing in this. So what I need to do is I need the same flower over here. Now instead of again drawing it over here, what I can also do is I can come to, not this frame, we are not going to copy the same frame, we will copy something which I had done before this. Say this frame, I come here and I select the whole thing and I say Control C, come back to this frame 6 and here press this. Okay, now when you press this, it basically pastes that same object in the same place, whatever is selected, whatever object was selected and you are copying it, it puts it in the same place. So you have a copy of this element in this page. Okay, and the reason why we did not copy it from the 5th page is because it would have been same. If I copied from the 5th page, it would have remained stationary. There would not have been any movement in the flower. Okay, so let's play this again. Yeah, so that's nice. Now I'm going to do the same thing again. Now I've already, this was frame 3 which I copied, so let's say now I'm going to copy frame 4. So I say Control C, come here and press this. So I got a copy of that. Now I'll copy frame 5, Control C and press this. So you get it. Now plus is pretty simple to draw, so instead of just saying copy, you can actually draw it. It's nothing much. Okay, I think 3 frames would be very less, so let's add. Okay, now let's just copy this. Control C. You randomly just select very randomly and keep on pasting. There's no proper sequence as such. That would make it more interesting. Control C and yeah. So again we need to add in that small little plus over there. Yeah. And let's play this. Yeah, this looks fine. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now comes the third element. The third element which we want is another flower. So similarly, I'll just add another element over here. Let's select this, and now what I want is in this particular frame, I need to even keep the early elements, that is my flower, the 1 and my plus. Let's make a similar flower. And give it a different color. Yeah. Now in the 11th frame I have a single flower, whereas, and also of course one, this is one here. Now since I've added this element in the 11th frame, the earlier elements are there only till the 10th frame, so I need to have all these elements, the plus, the flower and the 1 in the 11th page also. So again we need to copy this, but of course like I told you, I'm not going to copy this from here. I'm not going to select this and say Ctrl C and come here and do this. See what happens if I do that is, when you go from 10th frame to 11th frame, you'll see no jitter in this and this element, because it's exactly the same. Okay, it's just over it. So I can come to this frame and I can delete this. Sorry, I can come to this frame and delete this elements from here and come back over here somewhere. Let's see which frame is this. Okay, this is different. This and this is different. Okay, this is different. So I select this, Ctrl C. Any frame you can copy which is not same to the last frame. Come here and place it. Right, and go back to this. This also is different. So Ctrl C. Come back here. I'll do this for a couple of few pages because I need to have that flower also holding for at least 4 or 5 frames. Ctrl C and paste. Ctrl C. Yeah, this can get a bit confusing at a particular stage, but you just need to be very random with it. Nothing very. Just keep on checking that the flower is moving and there's no stationary element over there. Yeah, so all the elements are moving over here, the 1 plus and the flower here. There's nothing which is repeated here. Now what we can do is we can just add in, since this has been drawn only once, of course we need to draw it. There's no chance that we can copy that frame, so we need to at least draw it twice or thrice, at least 3 times before we can start copying it into other pages. Right? Yeah, so that's the next one and the third one. Now let's color that. Yeah, you can even color the outline by the way. If you click on the outline and inside to fill color. So that looks nice. Let's go back and play the whole thing. 1 plus 1. Right.